So we got through it okay, didn't even lose power. You can see though, my front yard is just covered in debris. It's pretty crazy, right? You can just see the power of how much the wind blew all the branches off the trees. And it just looks ridiculous. Check it out. But overall, we got lucky. The biggest hurricane ever, Irma. You can suck it, Irma. You know what happens, Irma? When you aren't as big as I was told you were. You know what happens, Irma? When you damage a bunch of things and keep people out of their houses. You know what happens, Irma? You know what happens? Hurricane Irma? Huh? You know what happens? You just made the list!